Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to make money from Amazon using AI video, so this video for you. I will show you step-by-step tutorials where you can find the trending products and then how we can create the AI videos and then you can upload into your YouTube channel. And the question is how you can make money. Maybe you heard about affiliate marketing. So this process is a AI based affiliate marketing. First of all, you have to find the product and then you can make videos. Either you can use AI tools where you can create your self video and then you can upload into your social media platform. And when the viewers watches your video and the viewers are interested to buy this product through your link, so they will click on the link and they will purchase, okay, and then you will make money. So this is called a affiliate marketing. You will see the lots of tutorials out there YouTube channel. They are really making great money. So initially you can make $100 and then if you go more further, like if you can create the awesome videos, so then you can make more money because more videos will generate more views and then the more views you will get more money. That's pretty simple. So the number one tricks is you have to make videos. That's it guys. So I will show you the each and every steps, so don't worry at all. And if you are first time here, so I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. So you can subscribe my YouTube channel and you will see the lots of AI videos, money making content, how you can make money on Amazon, okay, how you can start your freelancing journey, etc. So I hope this channel will help you a lot. So let's get started. First of all, what you need a YouTube channel. So set up your YouTube channel like very smartly. So you can add into your banner, add into your description, that's mean the about section, okay. Also you can create more links like different kind of social media links, add it here, and then it's time to make a video. But what kind of video do you want to produce or make? So we will use Amazon and then we will find the cola data. But the first of all, we will use the cola data. That's mean in Amazon you will see the millions of product. So what kind of products do you want to promote? You don't know, you don't have any idea. So where you can get idea? Because people are more interested to buy things that you don't know. So how we can get this kind of products and then you can make video and then you can make money. So that's why we will use a website. It's called a cola data. It's a great website for marketers, like especially for affiliate marketers. Here you can see the top products, trending top products between these dates. Number one, that's been top 1, top 2, 3, 4, okay. You scroll down and you will see the top creators that already they got revenue. This is the account guys, and they got 693.61k revenue. They just create their videos and upload into your social media like TikTok, Reels, YouTube channel, wherever, and they are earning. That's pretty simple. So this is the title, this is the video, this is the product, okay, and this is the revenue. So you can analyze each and everything, and I think as a beginner you have to learn something like how it works, how they create the video. It's a 1 minute video guys, only 1 minute video, and got revenue this through this video, 23 seconds video, 41 seconds video. So you can change your life definitely. So people are creating their dream life, so why not you wear? So we are just wasting time just watching different videos and then skip and then go our own way. So don't do this, just follow these steps and you can create your dream house, cars, and lots of things guys. Okay, this is the live stream videos. Those videos are live streaming. So these are the top trending products. So you will see the TikTok options and also you will see the Amazon. So click on Amazon section and it will open another page where you can see the Amazon. It's a date. Also you can select the categories and also the monthly sold item revenue. Alright guys, and this is the number one product. It's a Amazon Basics 20 pack. It's a battery, I think so. Alright, and item sold and revenue last 30 days. Amazing. Amazon. So you can pick a product from here, so you can get an idea from here. Also you can pick a product and then you can search on Amazon. So how we can search, like, so let's take the 5 number products. It's a Christmas gift. So if you want to find a similar product, click on that Amazon similar product. It will directly go to the Amazon and they will search and they will find a different similar products. Okay, also you can promote this kind of products. All right, so this is the one step where you can find the trending product. It's a genuine results and genuine data, so you should research and then you can create the videos. So this is the first step where you can find the trending product. And the second one is you can research on Amazon. So how you can research on Amazon? So maybe you have interested in like home and kitchen or health and household, okay, or handmade. So click on home and kitchen and then click on search. You don't have to write anything else, okay, and click on decor. All right guys, and this is the results. Okay, also you can select short by best sellers, and the Amazon will show you the results with the best one, the best sellers. That's amazing. So this is how you can find the best product from Amazon using Amazon. You don't need to third-party software or tools. Okay, so let's see this one, a 9K bought in the past month. It's amazing. So click on that. The ratings is almost 23,000 ratings. That's amazing. So this is the product that we got from Amazon by Amazon Research, and this one we got from Cola Data. Okay, also we can click on this one, I think. Okay, so let's click on. I showed you two methods, so which one is perfect? Both are perfect. You can follow both. You can try one, then you can another, no problem. So it was the first section where we have learned that how to find the trending products and how to find the best product. Pretty simple. And the second step is we have products. That's mean we have product URL, product link, and the second step is we have to create a AI video using product URL. And for AI video we will use a tools. It's called flexclips.com. It's a AI tools, complete AI features over there. You will find a lots of templates and lots of things that you can use for your AI purposes, like AI auto subtitle, text to speech, AI translate, AI video generator. So we need a video that's are generated by AI. So click on AI video generator, and this is the second page where you can input text, and also you can, and the second option is article or URL to video. So click on article, URL to video. So you can input your article over there and scroll down and you will see the from URL that we are looking for. So let's go back to Amazon and just grab the product URL and then paste it here. Perfect. And the style, that's mean the subtitle style or font style. So which one do you like? I'm just okay, this one is cool, dark. That's it. And then click on generate. Alright, so this is the source article. They've already collected different text, different images, videos from that product. It's pretty simple. Okay, so if you want to change this image, so you can just click on replace media and click on free. That's why it's a free delivery available. So click on free and also, and you can set this, okay, replace this video. So if everything is perfect, so let's click on the voiceover. It's a English, United States, voice female, general, piece, okay, perfect, everything is perfect. So click on add to timeline. Okay, so click on replace wall and click on apply. Alright guys, it's a 1 minute 8 seconds video, and select the video resolution and the frame rate. Okay, so it's a high quality 720 whatever it is, also 4K, no problem. So click on export. Alright, so it will take around 1 minute. It's a rendering time. So they will add like background music, footage, images, and the text, voiceover. Okay, alright guys, finally our video has been downloaded. Okay, so this is the final video. So let's play the video. Alright, so it's time to upload it to your YouTube channel. And once you upload it into your YouTube channel, and then when you got at least 500 subscribers, you can add the Amazon affiliate link. And where you can get the affiliate link, affiliate program amazon.com. So you have to sign up with your Gmail account. It's pretty simple. Sign up, recommended, and earns. And can you eligible to earn money? Okay, how do I qualify for this program? If you are a blogger, publisher, content creators, that's mean YouTuber, or also if you have a website. So we don't have any website. YouTube is our website. And once Amazon approved your account, then you can find the Amazon URL. That's mean the affiliate URL is an every product. Okay, and then just go back to your videos and add Amazon product URL into your video description. That's it, guys. So I think if you follow these steps, so you can make money in 2025. So this is for today. I hope you found this video is helpful, and if you have any queries, please comment below and I will come back with another tutorial. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.